How you doing, everyone? Thought I'd do a little bit of a progress update on the DJ Sound Garden. I haven't done one for a little bit. To be truthful, we're winning. So waterfalls all pretty much all wrapped up now. We've still got to do some moss work, detail work a little bit more. Got to get some more plants in this section here, and we've got some more moisture loving plants because there is a little bit of a bleed there, but it obviously comes back into the waterfall. So that bit will be completely blocked off, so it's been main focus on these waterfalls here. Still got to do all the fan work along these different areas and all the way along where the log is, but then that bit will pretty much be not a million miles away. Still got to get a hell of a lot more planting in this section as well. We did do a thatch roof, well, a palm thatch on the actual kids play area, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Got a little bit of bamboo on the top as well. We did end up installing a little LED light on the night, all the play stand all illuminates. It looks really beautiful, to be honest. Done a little bit of a tinkering on the Stack's Sphere today. There was a little mini urn there, but to be truthful, I didn't really like it as much as I should. So now we can get a lot more flow on that one, which looks gorgeous. The office is looking a hell of a lot more better now as well. We've got all the underside all cladded in as well, so now we get a hell of a lot of light reflection, which is absolutely perfect. Normally the patio furniture would be on there, but generally it would look like he's going to chuck it down for quite a bit. But now the living wall is looking absolutely gorgeous, which I'm really over the moon with, to be honest. It really is starting to look spectacular on a night. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Really do love it. And like I said, we got the AstroTurf down this week, which is pretty damn cool. Still got a few little bits of ironing out to do, a bit of detailing here and there. We've had our porcelain patio delivered as well. This is the slab that we'll be going for. It's quite dusty, to be honest, at the moment, because the kids have been walking all over it, but that's the kind of effect that we're going for. And then what we'll be doing then is building an outdoor kitchen in this section there as well. So it's definitely starting to look spectacular. So stick along, and I'll see you soon, guys.